A simple method that makes cutting short easy. I place my fabric on the table with right sides facing each other. I measure 2 inches for the waistband, which will hold the elastic. This becomes my waistline. From that waistline, I measure the length of the short and add 2 inches for hemming. Then roll that line straight. From the waistline, I measure 12 inches down for the crotch depth. Mark it across and roll the line straight. On the waistline, I measure 12.5 inches and repeat the same 12.5 inches on the crotch line. Then connect the points. At the crotch line, I divide the 12.5 inches by 4, which gives me 3.125 inches. This becomes the crotch extension, which also determines the width of the tie. I connect it with my crotch cuff. I measure the value of the tie and place it at the hem and subtract 1.5 inches. Then connect it back to the tie line. From the hem, I measure 2 inches upward and transfer the same shape. This helps when folding the hem so the fabric doesn't become short. Then I cut it out. And just like that, the front piece is ready. I place the front pattern on the remaining fabric. I extend the waistline, crotch line, and the hem line. At the hem line, I add 2 inches. At the crotch line, I add 3 inches. At the waistline, I add 2.5 inches. Then I connect them with my crotch cuff. Cutting a basic elastic short pattern is as simple as this. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you.